Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we are going to Sugod Southern Leyte with my tita guys. It's early 4 a.m. the morning. Tadang! O, diba? Shortcut na guys. Nandito na tayo sa Sugod Bus Terminal. Ayan, ito pala ang hitsura ng Sugod guys. Nagda-drive kami or nagra-ride kami ng 2 to 3 hours po ng van guys. Ayan. Actually, nakarating na kami guys. Bumalik kami sa terminal, bus terminal kasi nalaglag or nahulog po yung headband or ano bang tawag nito, parang bunit ni tita. Ayan, that's my tita Nisa. So, shout out to you tita. So, meron din pala sila ditong Mercury Drugstore guys. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. At saka, good thing, magwo-walk lang kami para marami ding ma-vlog ako. Thank you so much, tita. And exercise, we love do walking talaga, guys. So, ang dami nang nagbago dito sa Sugod Southern Leyte. Ayan, 'di ba? Ngayon, hindi pa siya masyadong traffic. Hindi pa siya traffic talaga, guys. Kasi nga, so early morning nakarating dito sa Sugod Southern Leyte. And we are going to Jollibee because we will eat our breakfast right there. But honestly, I'm not a breakfast person, guys, ha. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang orderin ng tita ko. Ganun din ang orderin natin. So, ayan po. Pero, ang ganda na talaga dito, guys. Oh, merong bago pala, guys. So, Sugod Bazaar. Ayan. Na-curious talaga ako, guys. Anong meron dyan, guys. 'Di ba? So, let's go. Walk, walk, walk. So, meron din pala silang food, good fun, good, unsa man funds, unsa na finds. Ayan. Na-curious talaga ako. One day, guys, babalik tayo dyan, guys, at i-explore natin kung anong meron dyan. So, ang ibang establishment, guys, store, close pa sila. Ang 7-Eleven, open na sila. Ayan, meron na palang 7-Eleven dito. At, tada! Ito na pala ang Pure Gold Center Sugod. Ayan. Dito po sa Pure Gold Center Sugod, guys, nandito din po ang Jollibee nila. Ayan, 'di ba? Nakita nyo 'yan? Meron po silang Jollibee. Malapit lang pala ito sa munisipyo, guys, or municipal sa Sugod Southern Leyte po, guys. Ayan, tada! So, mag-order na tayo, guys. Papasok tayo at mag-order tayo ng ang in-order natin is pancake and coffee, guys. Ayan po yung mga menu nila sa Jollibee. And, namali pala ako, guys, kasi dapat pala coffee ang in-order natin. Ang na-order is soft drinks. Tadang! Ayan na, guys. Maluwag pala dito. Medyo malaki po yung Jollibee dito sa Sugod Southern Leyte po. Ayan, magantay lang tayo sa ating in-order. Ayan, dumating na talaga siya, guys. At mabilis lang po yung in-order natin kasi hindi masyadong maraming tao, guys. Ayan, we have coffee right here. We have pancakes right here. Ayan, let's enjoy our breakfast, guys. Ayan, tada, after that, guys, pumunta kami ng Mayungs or Pampasalubong, guys. Malapit lang to sa munisipyo. Ayan yung munisipyo nila, guys. So, ayan, tinuturo ko po. At malapit lang talaga. Ilang walks lang po yung Mayung's Bakery. Meron pong mga pasalubong dito like cakes. Ayan po. Kasi yung pasalubong na ibibigay namin is ibigay namin sa old na may-ari ng boarding house. Tinitirahan ni tita dito. Kasi si tita is from Sugod Southern Leyte din siya nag-school dati ng college. So, ngayon, nag-continue na naman kami ng walking. Ayan. Tada! Nagwa-walk lang tayo, guys, ha. Ayan po yung munisipyo nila, guys. Nakita niyo yan? Yan po yung municipal Sugod Southern Leyte. At ito po yung gym nila sa kabila, guys. Ayan. Ganda ng nila, munisipyo. As in. So, ayan po. Patuloy lang tayong magwa-walk papuntang boarding house nila. Nagwa-walk lang kami, guys, kasi tingnan din namin kung ano na yung pagbabago at makapag-vlog din ako. So, ayan, continue lang tayo, guys. Enjoy watching! Another college, guys! Cool! Ayan, Stacy St. Thomas Aquinas College. Ayan, yan po. Ayan. Ang dami na talagang pinagbago. At meron din pala silang dialysis center dito, guys. Ayan po yung dialysis center. Ayan. Medyo nahihilo na tayo, guys, kasi kurog ang kamot ni Diday. Wala tayong stabilizer kasi, guys. Ayan. Yung phone natin is ordinary lang, kaya medyo... So, ayan, guys. Nakakahilo talaga siya, guys. Ang ganda ng bahay, diba? So, let's continue walking. So, guys, we really amazed with my tita kasi kahibaw ka, guys, as in, kuan gajud, guys, kanang kini ba? Kini nga house. Old house na, guys, diba? Pero, nagwonder me kung kuan gajud ba, ligon pa ba na, pero I'm pretty sure that's still good kasi yung mga wood naman dati napaka-durable naman, 'di ba? So ayan, let's continue walking, but before that, guys, kahibaw ka, guys, we really thanks to God kasi while we are walking, guys, nagpapasalamat talaga kami na God kasi yung weather natin, it's really good weather, guys. It's so sunny, so we could still walk, 'di ba? Kasi kung maulan pa, hindi tayo makapag-walk. Ayan. So nag-enjoy lang kami ng tita ko, walk. Meron na pala ditong Crispy King, guys, oh. Crispy King is everywhere here in Southern Leyte, guys. Ayan po. So, tada! Dumating na talaga tayo sa boarding house na pinagstihan ng aking tita. Shoutout pala dito sa Salar family, guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa San Roque. Banda pala siya, guys. Nag-stay yung tita ko. So, ang dami na talagang pinagbago, guys. Kasi sabi nga ng tita ko, itong school na to, ayan, sa front natin yan. Yan po, dati is Kalibunan pa na, guys. Ayan. Ayan, nakita nyo yan, wala pang, school. So, tada! After that, in Salar boarding house, we keep walking. This is church, guys. Ayan, nagsisimba ako dyan dati, guys, nung nag-aaral pa ako dito sa Sugod Southern Leyte. If you did not know, guys, I am also studied here in Sugod Southern Leyte. So, alma mater din pala to sa akin, guys. Yung, alma mater din tong school na to, guys. So, ayan, let's continue walking lang, guys. Nagwa-walk na lang kami kasi malapit lang naman from San Roque Street and then going to the main gate. Ayan. Meron pala silang bagong gym. Ayan, dati, guys, wala pa yung gym, yung katabi ng church. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. So, ang dami na talagang pinagbago, guys. Parang ikaw, nagbabago na din. Wala talagang permanente, walang permanent dito sa mundo, guys. Yan po. Kundi ang sarili lang talaga ang permanente. Charis, wala, oy. Why permanente, guys, oy? Kaya laban Japan tang kinabuhi. So, tanan, guys, lumalabay lang, guys. Maskin pag muunsa pa, maskin unsa pa muka close sa kinabuhi, guys. So, ayan. Ayan, guys, yung building na yan is pwede din mong mag-check-in diha, guys, sa imong uyab. Dalha imong uyab diha. Rihis Lodge or boarding, hotel. Ayan. So, ayan. Pila lang ka minuto, guys. Doon lang ta, malapit lang ta sa main gate, main school or main gate, tinatawag namin yan, guys. So, ayan. Alam nyo ba, guys, merong isang boarding house dati, guys, na napakasyala, na syala daw para namo. Pero, kahibaw ka, guys, barato naman to. Nagwonder ko kung tagpila na ang rental karon. Kining si Joey's and Son dormitory or girls dormitory man siguro ang pangalan ani, guys. Ayan, kini siya, guys. Dugay na gajud ni siya. Ayan, Joey's and Sons. Ayan, nindot ni siya, guys. Ladies dormitory. Ayan. Na ako yung mga classmate diha nagstay, pero ako, guys, dito lang ko sa Baratohon, no. Kay pobre ra man ta, no. So, ayan, sa una, guys, wala pa na daghan jung na change, guys, as in daghang na changes din sa Sugod Southern Leyte. So, ayan, continue lang ta guys, mag-walk, hapit na ta guys. Kini pod siya guys, wala pa ni kini kaning color blue, kani light blue, unsay tawag ni sky blue. Kini nga building, wala pa na siya dati guys, pero karon ayan. Nag-school ko pala guys, 2011 to 2015 yung year ko na nag-school dito sa university na to guys. So, tingnan natin guys, continue walking lang tayo. Tada! Again! Nandito na talaga guys sa wakas. Nandito na tayo sa pinaka main gate po sa school. Ayan, Sugod Southern Leyte State University. Itong road na to guys, dati is bumpy pa talaga to, rough road pa talaga to. Diyan ako nagbo-board sa Qualteros at saka nakalimutan ko yung pangalawang boarding house ko na inistehan guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan natin guys kung makapasok tayo. At napaka-high-tech na sila guys. Ayan, para ng tawag nito, nasa LRT MRT, tap na po yung ID, 'di ba? Bawal na talaga pumasok pala dito guys. Ayan, napaka-sad naman guys, hindi tayo makapasok. So guys, we are here at our alma mater school, but it's so sad we can't go through because we don't have a permit guys, because I studied here 2011 to 2015 guys. So next time, if you are from Sugod Southern Leyte graduates, and please guys, ahead of the time guys na mo visit mo dire, please pagkuha mo permit kay just like us guys, pareho mi ni tita diri mi naga-graduate, we graduate here with my tita. It's so sad because our purpose here is to visit our alma mater school. So well, anyway, it's okay, we understand because the guard, they're just following the rules, you know, because if they didn't follow also as well, maybe they might gonna kick off, you know. So well, anyway, it's sad only kasi from Hinunangan to here, ito yung purpose namin, mag-visit po sa lahat ng alma mater, boarding house, ganun. So well, anyway, doon na tayo, galing na tayo sa boarding house ng tita ko, but it's so sad, a lot of changes na guys. Look, itatap-tap na yan nila, yan, using their ID, and then I'm here, ayan, dami nang pinagbago yung Sugod Southern Leyte State University guys. So ayan po, so reminder po, pag mag-visit kayo dito, please ahead of the time, get a permit. Ayan po ang ating so ayan po si Kuya Guard, ito po, ayan. So kahit kahit empleyado ka, pag mag-visit ka ng tawag nito, visit ka ng weekends, so ayan po ang problema guys. So ayan po reminder lang po, hanggang dito lang kami, we cannot go through. Look, bawal kami pumasok, bawal pumasok. Sir Roy guys, dito lang kami guys. Ayan. Actually, this is very huge university guys here in Southern Leyte. Ayan. So, maybe next time kuha tayo ng permit para maka-go through ta dyan. And it should be weekdays. Ayan. Ganda no? Oh, sa Hinunangan po, Dana. Southern Leyte.
Bago permit.
Ayan yung mga logo. Ayan guys. Tagnipis kauban sa tagbaga. So karon guys, we are going to the public market guys. Ayan. At meron pang bibisitahin yung tita ko. Pero tingnan natin guys kung ano nang hitsura yung public market in Sugod Southern Leyte. Ayan. Nagsakay lang tayo. We ride a tricycle guys. Kasi medyo malayo. It's a little bit far from university to public market guys. Ayan. So enjoy lang ang pagra-rides natin guys. So again, salamat Panginoon kasi maganda yung weather today. Ayan, meron pala silang Home Depot or Saver, something hardware run dito guys na napakalaki. Oh, bagong building pala yun guys. Tapad sa Gaisano, the one daw guys, department store. So ayan, nandito na tayo guys. Hanggang dito lang pala tayo guys. Bawal tayo doon. No entry, one way lang pala to dito guys. Ito na po yung tawag nito, public market here, starting here guys. Tara, look guys, this is how Filipino when they wash their doormat guys, diba? They use their foot. Ayan, actually we are here at public market guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda dito guys kasi napaka-organized. Nakita nyo yan, sa gilid nyan guys. Meron pong vegetable, meron pong meat, meron pong iba't ibang binebenta. Yan po sa gilid po ay meron po siyang dagat. ocean, guys. So, enjoy lang natin. Ayan, shout out to my tita Nisa. Thank you so much, tita, sa lahat ng nandito, lahat ng binigay sa akin. At nag-enjoy talaga ako sa paglakad-lakad namin, guys, kasi bihira lang kami nagbe-banding yung tita ko kasi babalik na to sa UK soon. So, ayan, nakita nyo yan. Ayan. So, actually guys, it's lesser here than in our hometown. Tingnan nyo naman, si Diday. Ayan, nagpapakita na tayo, nagpa-show na tayo si Diday. Ayan po yung itsura natin. Ayan, tsadang! So, yung talong pala nila guys, eggplant dito is 90 per kilo. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan po. 120, 110. Pila ni kilo? 120. 120, 110. Then 90 pesos. Look, dried fish. Dried fish to 20, to 20, to 20, to 80. More dried fish, guys. More dried fish. Guys, as in organized. Ayan, very guys, barato lang diri guys. Sa inunangan nasa 300 kapin labi ito. Fish market guys. Ayan, barato rin guys. Ayan guys, tapi kilo nito. Barato ra diri oh. Wow. Okay. Ato sa amo layo pa manggod ni inunangan. Namiyaw tao. Kanita pila kilo. Grabe dito ka mahal sa amo. Niya kilo. Na lagi ato pite. Ha? Blue Marlin. Oh. 560 no, 380. Ato sa mo 400 ka na. Guys, sa meat area guys. Meat. Hello. Guys, this is the bus terminal of Davao Metro Shuttle. Yan, and then beside right there's a toilet. Yan. We're looking for Carinderia. So, tadang! We have sinigang na bangus at ewan ko, basta fish din yan guys. So, let's enjoy eating! So, pagkatapos ng kumain namin guys, ayan, sakay kami ng putput kasi sobrang init na talaga guys, as in talaga, kasi tanghali na nga guys. At iniwan namin yung mga binili namin na gulay, vegetables, at saka mga onions. Alam nyo na yun. Iniwan namin sa isang store kasi ang bigat talaga guys. Kaya ayan, magsha-shopping lang kami, continue. Cheris, maghanap kami ng guys, white t-shirt for Bunbun, and then badminton net din kasi bibili ang tita ko ng badminton net para makapaglaro daw ang mga pamangkin. Ayan. So, ilang na din, how many years na hindi ako nakapagsakay ng put-put guys. Tingnan natin kung magkano na to dito. Kung yung pamasahe guys about sa put-put. So, nandito na tayo guys. It's just quick lang po. Itong tinatawag Bulano next to the terminal. Sugod's bus terminal guys. Ayan. Sa likod lang tayo. Tadang! So, ito po yung binili ng tita ko guys. Ang net guys. Badminton net. Ayan. Mag-keep walking lang tayo. Ito po yung bus terminal. Nakita nyo yan. At ako pala ay bibili ng pampaganda ng aming team leader. Ayan. Shout out to madam. Ayan. So, after that guys, nandito pala tayo sa Paper World guys. Bumili ang tita ko ng mga anik-anik at saka salamat din kasi binilhan ako ng lagayan ng mga papiles ng tita ko. So, after that, again, sa Paper World, nandito tayo sa DIY dito sa Sugod. Mr. DIY guys. At Alam nyo guys, ang sarap talaga mag-shopping pag meron tayong budget. Ayan, shout out again to my tita Nisa. Thank you so much tita for everything. Ayan. At nag-i-enjoy talaga ako. At si tita naman, tinitreat din niya yung sarili niya. May binili siya dito para kay Mama Nancy. Shout out to our Mama Nancy. Video-video lang tayo. Ito pala ang hitsura sa loob ng Pure Gold Store guys. Merong Jollibee. Ayan yung tita ko dyan. Bumili lang siya. Nagtingin-tingin kasi bibilhan daw ang Mama Nancy namin ng short. Hey everyone! So, we are here right now at the house and I'm sorry I didn't do more vlog in Sugod because my phone was empty. So, as you can see, I'm still wearing jacket because I'm helping Ate Gemma nagwalis-walis, sweep the ground, but saglit lang ako tumulong guys. Guys, pagdating namin sa bahay, nagbihis lang ako at saka yun, tumulong ko saglit. But, well anyway, before that guys, magpapasalamat ako. Maraming salamat to my tita. Thank you so much tita because she gave us vegetables, onions, some groceries guys. From Sugod, you know. Daghang salamat tita. Ahos, ayan, garlic, ayan, at saka dried fish, guys. 'Di ba we went to from the public market. So my tita, thank you so much tita. She gave us groceries. It's a really big help to us, guys. So and at least I can save money for now, you know. So instead of buying groceries, at least we already have a food, you know, for this week. So thank you so much. Salamat ako kasi si tita binilhan ako ng spray ng ating refrigerator. At saka guys, meron tayong eggplant, okra. Ayan po yung mga binili ng tita ko. So, salamat talaga ako. Ayan, daghang salamat tita. Our weather today guys, we are very lucky because this is our weather today guys. So nice, you know. Yan, ang super ganda talaga. Ayan. At saka, ayan, don't mind the mess kasi ito po lahat binigay ng aking tita. Ayan. So, we are going to plant lemongrass as well guys. Ayan. So, thank you so much, tita. Thank you so much. Patsa. Look, guys, we are going to play with Bunbon. Thank you so much, Tita Nisa. Look at our playground. I'm with the kiddos. So, guys, we are going to play badminton with Bunbon. Ayan guys, I think I'm gonna end our vlog here guys. If you are still watching, thank you so much for giving me thumbs up guys.